How'd you say that?
Aoife.
Aoife.
It's Irish.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome to day 4. We changed our plans. We came into Universal instead. So let's go. Oh my god, it's Marilyn Monroe.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with evac anytime.
Back to the Future car and train. Are you telling me you made a time machine out of a balloon? Krusty Burger. Mole's Tavern. Mickey Mouse.
Krusty, is this a nuclear reactor?
Men in Black. It's like a shooting game, but we can't bring in the bags. We have to put in a locker. So.
Yana, Bone, Ashley, Zach, Laura, Patrick, Laura, Diana, Gary, Leslie.
So we just went on ET and now we're just chilling and eating crisps. And then we're going to go into a horror makeup show and it's really funny, so I'm going to try recording there as well.
There are some kids in the audience.
Oh, do you want me to cut a kid?
What? Talk to them.
Already just said that. Kids, don't drink beer for breakfast. Just because mommy does it doesn't make it right. She does it because she has to stay at home alone with you guys, okay? Till the UPS guy gets there. Then what can Brown do for you?
What? Okay. No. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 3!
Gentleman Joey is selling these fish with incredible strength, amazing balance, and a mighty handsome man bun. He can do this with one hand behind his back. Yeah, for Joey! All right, folks, let's put our hands together and cheer him on. Yeah, sell those fish. Looking good, guys, looking good. They're flipping out over these incredible deals.
Smells like bacon. What? Yum.
Like a chocolate bar with
That is so weird. Why would you want to smell like bacon going into this?
chocolate bar bits of bacon.
Why would you point?
Bar with peanuts.
How point this is
That's cute.
a mug with 2 old
Donuts.
Yeah, but how would it
Carbs.
You put the stuff in there.
It'll come out here.
No, it won't, no?
It just goes around the thing in the middle. Physics.
Physics, stupidity, I think.
Me and Isabel are just chilling in the shade. And it's so warm, oh my god, I'm passing out. Ellen's getting a churro. As I say, churro.
Yeah. It looks disgusting.
Yeah, I don't want to get one. And yeah.
That's it, I think.
We just got the train over to the other park.
And now we in Hogsmeade.
Now we in Hogsmeade. Hoggy hog.
Saw him step in on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Make that cat go away. You do not want to play. He should not be about when your mother is out. And a cake on the top of my hat. You will see something new. And I call them thing one and thing two. Oh, you so No, not in the house.
Said the fish in the pot.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
Smells like popcorn.
I always pick up my playthings in snow. I will show you another new trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Did we tell her about it? Now what should we do?
Oh, no, I love it.
Here, sit in here. Come on, do something!
Lightning! Alright, come on. We're like,
Welcome to Universal Studios.
welcome to Florida. The Sunshine State. Come on!
Bye, Universal.
Take next right.
Oh, traffic. We're in the clubhouse. We got some food. Hey everyone, so it's like 9 o'clock now and we just came home from the clubhouse, went to Walmart, did some shopping, and then we just played cards for like ages, and we just opened our Back to the Future bars and they're so cool. It says out of time, like the license plate in Back to the Future. And we're just watching So You Think You Can Dance. First taste.
Oh, jeez. Yum? Is it yum?
Yeah.
That was hilarious.
It's different, but it's nice. It is now the next day. I forgot to end the vlog last night, so don't forget to like and subscribe and see you tomorrow. Well, it's actually today, but see you then.